The purity of food helps in purifying the inner self. Purification of the inner self enhance the mind and intellect accelerate the elimination of illusions and ignorance. This in turn paves the way for the salvation of the soul. Chandogaya Upanishad. Book name Health Tips from Vedas. Book introduction. In today's fast paced life, we opt for quick and efficient relief for our ailments. Modern or allopathy system is saving lots of lives since World War II, especially in this pandemic we are into. But this rapid relief is also producing several adverse effects. The rising graph of psychomatic disorders and challenging diseases and the limitations of the widely used modern medical sciences in coping with them on the one hand and the harmful side effects of allopathic medicines have revived the interest in the ancient science of medicine. When we look into ancient times, in the pages of Vedas, our traditional medicinal system, Ayurveda, which cures diseases and teaches us how to stay healthy and lead a holistic and balanced life. Ayurveda is a Sanskrit word derived from Ayush, that is life, and Veda, that is knowledge, meaning knowledge of life. As depicted in this book, the scriptural description of the Vedic and post-Vedic times glorify the immense contributions made by the Ayurveda and Yoga towards the physical, mental, and spiritual well-being of humankind. An interdisciplinary approach can benefit us to live a healthy and purposeful life. The Vedic way of living, as very rightly written in this book, if incorporated in daily routine, diet and work, can help us to live a healthy life and protect us from the rampages of such pandemics in future. Few excerpts from the book. First, Dr. Ramharsh Singh elaborates that yoga primarily aims at the spiritual evolution of consciousness, the elevation of the human self from the confined peripheries of an ego-bound mortal being towards the higher realms of divine enlightenment. Ayurveda is a total science of life in the soul's worldly existence and expansion, whereas yoga is a highly specialized science pertaining to specific, namely spiritual facets of life. Second, Pragya Yoga has been found to be very effective and suitable for most people in the teenage to the middle age group. The common urinary diseases, constipation and other digestive problems, mental and physical fatigue, stress, etc. are cured by its practice. It is especially effective in relaxing and strengthening the nerves and muscles and enhancing the grasping power of the mind. It serves the triple purpose of strengthening the body, calming and energizing the mind and cleansing the inner emotional self. Its sincere practice with the jap of Gayatri Mantra helps awaken the pragya, that is, spiritually enlightened, pure and intellect. Third, earn your food by proper means. Eat it with purity to sustain your vital energy. Elevate your vital energy to gain knowledge and attain vigorous potentials to get rid of all infirmities and sorrows. Fourth, being humble and kind even to those who may not be favorably disposed towards us is also essential for our health. Fifth, Sandhya, that is Upasana, is the root of the tree of life. The Vedas constitute its branches and religious activities are its leaves. The blossoming growth of a tree is dependent on the life of its roots. Without roots, there will be no possibility of any branch or leaves. Few topics covered in the book. First, Yoga and Ayurveda. Second, unique approach to Ayurveda. Third, importance of food. Fourth, subtle qualities of food. Fifth, what to eat, how to eat. Sixth, guidelines for morning chores. Seventh, guidelines on the nighttime activities. Eighth, regularity of prayer and worship. Ninth, remedies to control aggravated doshas.